Okay, today I've come to introduce to you coconut. This is coconut, the bulb. This is coconut bulb. From this coconut bulb, it usually have 3 eyes. 1, 2, 3. Don't go and start breaking coconut in from the middle like that, the way many people do, and you pour out the whole water. You waste it. Coconut water is very rich. Yes, it has hydrating content. Let me put it that way. So it's very good for hydration. Yeah, when you've worked and you feel like energy has gone out, use coconut water to revitalize the energy, to bring back your energy to the usual level. Very, very good. It's very good also for managing kidney issues, but you have to consult your doctor because it depends on the level of your kidney problems. I don't know. So it's rich in compound called saponins and also tannins, yes, which has antibacterial, antifungal properties. So coconut water is very, very rich. Instead of taking all these sugary drinks, why not go for coconut water? And it's doing a lot in the body. It's doing a lot in your body because it has electrolytes. It has electrolyte content in it. Has potassium, it has magnesium, it has iron, it's loaded. So when you open it, look at it the way we bring it out. You open one of the eyes. Have you seen it? When you open 1, 2, 3, you just open one. When you open 3, it will splash. The water will splash everywhere. This one is already the one we have done. Have you seen it? This is coconut water. Yeah, this one I've just opened. Look at it. Have you seen it? It's dropping like the one already we have put in the jug. So this is it. And if you want, like people that do fast for a long time, maybe you are doing dry fasting, you get it, and it happens that you just decided to do dry. On the top day before you eat anything, take this. You can feel like going extra 100 days. So it brings a kind of unbelievable energy. Okay, that is coconut water for you. Then when you join it with this, previously I talked about mojaja, Nchanwu, or scent leaf. Okay, I don't know what you call it from your ends there. Yeah, but the English name is scent leaves. So when you blend it and get out the juice, and you join mojaja water juice to coconut water, this is strong medicine, very strong medicine. Remember previously, maybe you visit again what I talked about this scent leaf, so that you know the nutrient contents and the compounds it contains. I told you it has antioxidants, antifungal, antibacterial, antimicrobial, so properties. So when you study it properly and you combine it with what this one is having, you can never get sick. Every organ and every part can be very, very good. Okay, so let's keep trying, practicalizing these things I'm teaching, and you will see changes in your health. You will see changes in your health. Okay, so that is by the way with the water, coconut water, and also coconut, and also mojaja juice. Yeah.